G'day, Mike here, Ocean Protect. Today we decided to come out here to Western Sydney, have a look at a Filterra system that was installed almost 4 years ago. This system's a little bit different, I suppose, to what you typically see. It hasn't received the required maintenance for the technology, so we thought we'd come out, show the people who are familiar with Filterra how the system functions. So here we are inside the first cell of this Filterra system, and as you can see there's a plethora of weeds around the system. And that's a result of the sediment going on top of the mulch and then the weeds propagating from there. So what we intend on doing is running a flow test, a standing column flow test, right in the middle of the system, right here, right in the dirtiest part of the system, and we'll have a look at what the results look like. So right now we've exposed the mulch layer, we've got rid of the mulch and sediment in this small location here. We're going to drive a pipe down about 500 millimeters down into the under drain manifold layer. And so we can measure the hydraulic conductivity of the media at this portion, at this point. So as you can see here, we're driving the pipe down through the media and connecting it to the under drain stone. So we've installed our PVC, filled the column full of water, obviously got our sluice valve installed. We'll now drop the water through, do a dry test, and come back a period of time and do another wet test on the system as well. There we go, starting the test, and as you can see the water drops fairly quick. This is a high flow bioretention system. So we've just completed the first test out here of the system. There's a maximum time in which the system must drain this column of water down. We've completed that in just under half the time, which means that the system on the first test passes and is running at more than the design flow rate for the Filterra system. As you can see, we've opened the valve second time round. The water's dropping in the column, not as fast as the first, as you'd expect, because this is a saturated, fully wet test. So we've just completed our 2 tests, and the Filterra system is drained down within the maximum tide allowed, so it shows that it is meeting its design treatment flow rate of 3,600 millimeters per hour. This system here is in need of maintenance. The mulch is doing a great job in obviously retaining the moisture and helping the plants grow, and it's also protecting that stormwater sediment from getting into the media layer. So what do you do to bring the system back online? It's not a complete rebuild. We effectively just take out that top 75 mils of mulch, take out the weeds, take out the sediment, and the system is back online, ready to treat your stormwater. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Want any more information, go to oceanprotect.com.au. I'm Mike, and I'll see you next time.